Hello everybody, my name is Meta_Meister, and this is Stasis. Welcome back to the next episode. I know last one was kind of really crazy in terms of me not really knowing what was going on, but we finished off the floor kind of. It took me a lot longer than I'm willing to admit, and we're going to go ahead and head down and see what the next floor has for us. Oh, this is kind of cool. I like that screen. But I've wandered around a lot, grabbing lots of tools, not really sure what was going on. But luckily I got through it. It took a while though.
Attention. Product Storage 2. Access to Product Storage 2 is denied until further notice.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be skipping this.
Attention. Service Platform 1. Please check in with the duty officer before engaging with any products.
The room on the other side of the observation portal has a single bed in the center surrounded by life support machinery. Beyond the observation portal stands an empty room containing a single chair. Children's toys lie in the room. Seen through the observation portal, a teddy bear is soaked in a red fluid, its matted hair plastered to the hard metal floor. I'm gonna be mad if you killed my daughter, guys.
What were they doing here?
Dirt cakes the inside glass of this observation portal. Smeared blood makes it impossible to see into the room beyond. I hear crying. The outline of a human adult can be seen in the body bag. Oh, game line. What do we got? Electronic toe tag.
Probably not a good idea. Could do something like this. Oh God. I need to get to Rebecca. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Security holograms are still working.
New job! When Mike suggested I go to work in product storage, I honestly thought he was nuts. I mean, the pay is great and the hours are fantastic. But the job, well, I think it'll be boring. Apparently the only time a nurse is ever needed is when they crack a stasis tube open, which Robert, the admin officer, said hardly ever happens. 9 times out of 10, they just take the pod directly to the different projects. I'm hopeful that we'll be able to open one soon. Tomorrow equal first time. Tomorrow I actually get to do some work that doesn't involve monitoring vital signs. We're opening a pod for Dr. Isaacs in Project Kitchen Knife. They said they need a specimen who is fully awake. These pods are filled with prisoners and drifters. They had their chance at a productive life and ruined it all. Yesterday was much harder than I'd imagined. When we opened the pod, the woman inside had no idea where she was. I'm aware that long-term stasis can cause disorientation, but she kept screaming for her husband, saying they were on their way to holiday on Europa. The doctor quickly sedated her and gave her a vocal cord numbing agent to stop the screaming. I mean, she was obviously lying about being a holiday maker. These drifters will say anything to get out of this situation. We got another 2 products in this morning transferring from a penal colony on Earth. I asked to have a look at their files, hoping that it would make this a little easier, but I was told that all records are sealed. I had to delete the last few logs. I read them over again, but they were just too painful. I can still hear the crying of the last man we thawed out. He didn't even scream. He sat on the bed crying until the doctors came in. They tagged him and took him down to the labs. He didn't even scream. Yesterday we opened a pod with a 10-year-old boy in it. There must have been some sort of mistake, even if he was a drifter. He's a child. His name is Neil. He is in the rehabilitation downstairs. I asked to go visit him, but was told that it'd be easier for me if I just let things be. I want out-of-product storage. I requested a transfer to the biomes. I think hydroponics will cheer me up. The pay isn't good, but at least I'll be able to sleep at night. I heard the department heads talking about getting something from product storage. They already have 4 unopened stasis pods in a lab, but they're looking for a subject that can respond immediately. This isn't right. They're using products from the product storage too. I thought this was just a hydroponics bay. Why would they need human specimens for? Sarah told me that there are more children in the rehabilitation centers under product storage. I'm going there tonight. These security lockdowns have been happening more frequently. I'm going to use them to my advantage. Tomorrow I'm going to get these kids out of here. You know, I'm actually happy you're doing something, even though you're probably not going to make it. I'm leaving these entries on this PDA so that if I disappear, you'll know what happened. Whoever's reading this, you need to help. Please help those children. Man. I knew it was a horror game, but that's...
Attention. Biometric handprint not recognized. The mortuary requires level 5 security access.
Level security 1.
I don't think this will fit. Nah, that's ridiculous.
General Nurse Biome Labs. Okay, so clearly I need to go down another floor, I think. Man, this game is gonna be dark, huh? Guess that's how you make up for it, the graphics in a game like this. But no.
It's just getting colder.
Service elevator. Some scratches look like they were made by bare nails across the paint. Great. Oh, don't knock, dude, come on.
Okay.
We remind you that this is a non-smoking platform.
That doesn't look dead. Exposed human fat catches the light as blood flows freely from the cold metal floor. The stain, static of the radio signal, and a faint voice echo out under the corpse. I really don't want to go near that thing.
Holy mother of...
People are alive, right?
Rerouting radio signal through glove suit.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Who is this? Identify yourself.
Hey, calm down, lady.
My name is John Maracek. I'm...
John? How did... Never mind. It's Yuri there.
I'm sorry. He's been... He's dead.
Shit. Listen to me, John.
No, wait. Who are you?
My name is Taya Hensley. I'm a botanist in hydroponics. I know you have questions, but right now, we need to get to the tram.
I'm not going anywhere until you explain to me what the hell is going on.
Because Yuri is still there. Get to the tram and I'll tell you everything.
Okie dokie, lady. Okay! I'm sure we don't want to go that way anymore, but we're doing it anyways. Where am I? Here?
Do not move. Attention. Tram terminal access will be granted once biological containment protocols have completed.
Thought machine guns were gonna fall from the sky.
Tell me where I am.
Wait, aren't you a crew member?
Crew member? No. I don't know how I got to this place.
What's the last thing you recall?
My wife and daughter, we were on our way to Titan. And then I woke up here. That's it. I can't remember anything else.
I heard rumors of Kane Corporation hijacking civilian transports and bringing them here.
Where is here?
The Groom Lake. It's a medical research ship.
But Kane, why would they need a ship for research? They have dozens of facilities.
Human experimentation. Fringe studies. Here, they can do, well, anything.
What? My wife, my daughter. I need to find them. Now.
I'll help you, John. But first you need to get to the tram, get moving.
Can I move though? Is the bioscan gonna let me?
Warning. Biological scans are inconclusive.
Doesn't that usually mean they shouldn't be letting you through?
Oh, the tram looks dark. It's got no power.
Take a look around. There must be a way to get it up and running.
Okay. Alright. I'll see what I can find.
The control console! That's gonna be a thing later. Seating. Okay, I've clearly got to leave the tram and then die because there's something out there. No, I don't want to go back in. Oh, I can go over here. Okay. End of line, tram station, switch tram line 2, recharge tram. Charging system inactive. Tram cannot change tracks while power levels are below 60%. In truth, this is very unhelpful. Probably where the drill's gonna come in handy. Well, I guess it's already come in handy before, but coming even more handy now.
Damn, that's not gonna work.
Really?
No, that won't work.
Oh, it was a lock. Oh, I didn't mean to try that again. Sorry. And why would
This isn't gonna work.
Yeah, I wouldn't figure that it would. But
Maybe if it... No, that won't work.
oops. You need to drill yourself, John. No, we just tried to drill, but some things require more than one go, I suppose.
Damn, that's not gonna work.
Maybe I can open this one?
Damn, that's not gonna work.
Alright, so I clearly don't have what I need to get this thing.
Access granted. Welcome, Yuri Linov.
Well, thank you, dear. Yeah, the morgue, I know. Start reports.
Cold.
What is?
The mortuary.
I think it's supposed to be cold.
Aubrey Henderson, Thomas Reynolds, Jane Doe. Ice-covered portal, indistinguishable shapes lie beyond this portal. Beyond the portal, everything's pitch black. Something's gonna bang up and scare you. You're gonna keep looking in. Liquid cakes of glass. The glass obscures the contents. The faint outline of a rusted red metal handle is visible through the frosted portal. No. I bet you I'm gonna be heating these up, and then I gotta go in that one probably. Combustion of bodies at higher temperature is facilitated by opening the furnace unit. My question is, why aren't you opening the furnace unit? There you go. Great. So I gotta do something other than this, but
I think that would break. I can't see it working like that.
stopping up the thingamabobbers. Okay, towel. Time to get use out of you.
Warning. Temperature increasing to dangerous level. The duty officer has been notified of the Please evacuate area immediately.
Morgue.
What is the mortuary? I think it's supposed to be cold. So smart. You don't know nothing. Run, job, run! Get out of there!
Oh god. The stench.
Why is her body like that messed up?
I can hear you're taking strain. But keep your eyes on the end goal. Your family. We need you.
No? Okay. Alright, we got the crowbar. I guess we use that to break the lock. Alright, everybody. That's all the time I've got for in this video for you, but we're making great progress. Check in the next one. I hope you're enjoying yourself, and I hope you all have a great day. See you next time. It's like they know, like people aren't gonna look behind. That's not gonna work. We need to throw another jump scare right after.